name is Eugene and I'm part of the first cohort of the graduate program here at Kasuri.
My name is Enshi and I'm a senior manager in the Commonwealth Capital Group.
Hi, I'm Jasmine and I'm a junior bunker trader in Singfields.
During my job hunting process, I interviewed at many places. When I interviewed at Kasuri, I really felt a genuine connection with my VP Leah. I am personally very passionate about community and sustainability, and at Kasuri, I was given the autonomy to propose and work on CSR projects that I find meaningful, along with the guidance and support from my team and higher up.
I joined a local enterprise in Singfields is because there's more autonomy to explore my own creativity, skill development, and as well as job satisfaction. The highlight moment that I have in Singfields is that I often have to think on my feet, and there is no hard and fast rule over here, so it encourages me to use my creativity to resolve the issue. And also, throughout this whole process, it gives me an opportunity to interact with my senior management to give me a better guidance.
In my past life, I was a corporate lawyer, but I left the world of big law to join Commonwealth Capital. By nature, I prefer to be exposed to multiple things and not to be straitjacketed in one domain. I've worked on digitalization initiatives as well as explore new ready-to-eat products. One of the highlights of my time at Commonwealth was a work trip to Melbourne with our Group Managing Director, Mr. Andrew Kwan. It's hard to believe it, but eating delicious food is part of my job scope.
Our very own local enterprises have global ambitions, and they want to groom talent to help achieve this. Enterprise Singapore will partner these promising enterprises to develop their people into future leaders, skilled and confident to make a difference. Together, we are launching the Singapore Global Executive Program to cultivate young talent.
People are the assets of ours and the heart of everything that we do. We seek out and try to create as many opportunities as possible, even with tailor-made programs for their career growths. And therefore, we are very excited to collaborate with Enterprise Singapore to aspire and excite the future generation.
We invest into our talent, we invest into employees to make sure that they thrive, they grow. And one of the ways we do this is we believe in employee-led development.
We are a community united by shared values. Together with Enterprise SG, we are excited by the opportunity to attract like-minded young talents who are keen to build great brands that nourish the world.
Join us on this adventure. It's unique, it's exciting, and it's something we're very, very excited to share.
Choose who you learn from wisely. Join SGEP and be part of a Singapore success story.